Welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, we're continuing our conversation about the course, Brewer's free 90-minute affiliate course. And this is affiliate marketing for beginners, starting from scratch, 0 followers, and also high ticket affiliate marketing for beginners because it's high ticket. And I'm officially a high ticket affiliate marketer. So if you are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner here in Virginia, USA, and I care about taking our life to the next level. And I strongly believe that a business is the way to go because it's long term. And like in this situation, there is some passive income. It's like you build a house and you rent it out. So there is that element in this particular program. And I already covered, it's 6 lessons free, right? There's also a bonus one. And because I've been inviting you to come learn, take a free course, I said, maybe they don't know, they need to know what is in this free course. So that's what I'm doing. I finished lesson 1, and lesson 1, Brian was telling you about the definition of affiliate marketing. I also put in my own 2 cents. I gave an example. And now he was telling you why social selling is not the best way to do it, which is happening a lot, and how we build a business. That was video number 1. It's a link in the description if you want to watch lesson number 1. This is a series, so they'll be lined up. This is now lesson number 2. In lesson number 2, Brian, I'm about to explain what he talks about in lesson number 2. But the reason I'm doing this is to make it easier for you to understand what we are doing and maybe how it could relate to you. But I recently added a portion, I call it the motivational portion. I did it in the first one too, and now I have it at the end where I talk to you. I get to talk to you, okay? So if any of that sounds interesting, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please like the video, like it so you can this message can get to more people, because the more you like it, YouTube is going to show it to more people. Okay, in lesson number 2, Brian, remember there are 6 lessons. In lesson number 2, Brian, may I give you just what it's about, but you have to get in to learn. But he made this short. It's only 6 minutes. It says why you should start with affiliate marketing when you are starting online. He's suggesting when you think about making money online, start with affiliate marketing, and he's giving the reason why. He also says that there are so many things you can. In fact, when you are starting out online, you say make money online. You get so many results, you get confused. Even me, I've been doing this for 4 years, I get confused. Because there is something happening every single day. Someone is coming up with something. But he was saying that once you master how money is made online, actually you can make money online with anything. Any product, any service, as long as you learn the principles. So he's saying the principle is simple. People want to solve their problems, find those people, and then capture their emails, and then show them whatever you're selling, they'll buy. But the reason we want to capture their emails, that's what he was explaining in lesson 1, because we are creating a business. We don't want to be like every day you're going out to look for new people. So once you decide that this is the area I'm solving, for example, I'm solving personal development, I want people to get their life better, then find the people who care about that and keep bringing more and more and more. At some point, you're going to get a whole community. And then that's the other thing he talks about. You don't have to be an affiliate marketer forever. Like him, he's been an affiliate marketer for 12 years, but he switched now. He created his own product. So there's so many things, because I've been online, it depends what you want to do. You could just be a person who just influences. You become an influencer, build a following. So people will come to you, businesses will come to you, and they have so many things they want to do with you, and they pay you money. So you don't have to be an affiliate marketer forever, but the beginning is easier. You choose affiliate marketing because the reason he was saying that there's so many ways to make money online, affiliate marketing is the best because it follows this model of capturing people's emails and creating a business out of it. And then the other thing he says in that lesson 2, he's showing you the difference between a traditional business and an affiliate marketing business. You know, in a traditional business, a business, people have to run business, they have their products, they have their customers, they're shipping things, customer service, capture payments, deal with refunds, all that stuff. So he's showing you, I could go on and on, the difference between the two. For us here online, in fact, this brand course, why I say it's one of the best around, because most people, when they're starting online, I've been doing this for a while, although I've never done actually this thing of creating my own thing. Like people start off by creating a free thing. Maybe you heard of ebooks. Like someone, they offer you an ebook so they can get your email, right? They offer you something for free. So that takes people a while. If I told you to create an ebook, you say, what is it going to be about? Whatever. But what he did, he created this free course for us. That if you come and want to do this, is for you to give. You give it away to people, so that's the way you start to build your business. That's why I said it's a great program. He took time to do this. And so lesson 2 is simple. That's what he says, that he's saying start with affiliate marketing. It's a proven way, and the companies are there, and the products are there. So if you go to lesson 1, I explained how affiliate marketing works, and Brian is going to tell you the same in lesson 1. So that's simple. Lesson 2. He's trying to show you the difference and why affiliate marketing should be your model too. Now, we come to the last part where I said, I'm going to be talking to you at every end of these videos when I have some time. So recently, inside, if you choose to join us, there is an inner circle. We meet twice a week, right? So in one of them, sometimes Brian comes and just shares something. He's the guru. We learn, we listen, but then we get a chance to ask questions, right? You get a chance too to ask questions if you come in. And so I said to Brian, what you did here is great. I've been in so many programs. I've not seen a program like this where they even give us the free thing to give, like that free course he did, right? So when you listen to what he's saying, the free course, it all makes sense. So I said, Brian, I've been myself sending you so many people in this free course. But what do you think is the reason? Although they know they need this, they know they want it. Okay, you need it because you want to change your life. You want a better life. You want to be with your family. You want the freedom to work anytime you choose. And you want the more money. Why are they not taking action, you think, those who don't? He gave me an answer that's interesting that I'm about to share here. He said, because people see this like it's work. I said, what? Work? So they don't work? So they expect to get money, to make money without working at all? That it looks like work. Because for me, I thought that maybe they're telling him that, you know what, we don't have the money to upgrade or whatever. He said, no, actually, it's not a money issue. They think this is work. So I want to talk to you about work. We have been working. How many years have you been working? It's like when people come to watch a video and when I'm teaching something and they say it's long. I said, if you are learning something from a 20 minutes video, why don't you watch it? How many years have you been in school? Go add them up. How many hours have you spent in school? And maybe the education you got there, you don't even use it. But we're giving you a skill, something that's going to use forever to save yourself from poverty, and you're saying it's work. It takes too much time. So let's talk about the work, the work, your work. And I'll talk to you, give me an example. For me, actually, I've worked only one job in my life. If you are in Uganda, we started the Uganda Revenue Authority over there. I worked for Uganda Revenue Authority for about 5 years at the beginning. Well, that was the only job I did. It used to be Minister of Finance, then we became Uganda Revenue Authority. I was actually boss there. I headed Masaka Station and our station in Kampala before I came here. Let me tell you about the work. To get to work, you have to be there from 8 to 5. But when you said 9 to 5 or 8 to 5, it's really not 8 to 5 or 9 to 5. It's more than that. Because to be at work by 8, I had to be ready to get to work by 6:30. And then when I get off at 5, by the time I get home, it's like another 6:30. So that's 12 hours. So you give someone 12 hours of your time for 5 days a week. That's what? 60 hours? That's why Robert says that rich people make money because they use other people's money and other people's time. He has another one because it's OPT and OPM. Other people's time, other people's money. Rich people are using your time to make their money. Okay? Think about spending 12 hours on something that's yours. How much could you do with the 12 hours? Let's assume today you have some savings. You have enough savings, maybe for 6 months or even 3 months. And you have a little money to upgrade this program. And you can. Everything's already there. So Brian is going to show you how you set it. Because what we do online, we have to set up something called funnels. You have to automate your system. You capture people's emails, your emails. You automate email to them. All this you have time to set it up, but he already set it up for you. He's just showing you to change it to your name and everything. So you put in some time, you set it up, and then all we do here online is record a few videos, post them, respond to comments, all that. That's the work we do. And then you send out an email, and then maybe go live when you get to that level. That's what we do. So what's the work that compares with the 12 hours you're giving? If you are working 9 to 5, think of the time you start thinking about work. You wake up, you do all that thing, and then get to work, and driving, traffic, maybe 2 hours to get home. You don't see your family, you don't see your children, your husband, wife, you don't see each other, how to make a date, I'll see you on Friday. Wow. Do you know this kind of work? You could be just using your phone. Your phone, because all you have to do is, after you set everything up, if you are on TikTok, that's why I say in the beginning, start on TikTok. You be on TikTok, you respond to someone's comment, you follow someone, you like something, one thing. That's the work we do. If you want to go live, you can go live from anywhere. You just set up your phone and go live. You see me go live, walking, go live, like exercising, and you're going live. That's working. Oh my God. I think what's missing is just, maybe it's fear, decision, making the decision. But it cannot be what he said, that people see this as work. If you see it as work, which is more work, the work you're doing, believe me, is more work. And if you did like the way Wesley says, that hold the check up here, whatever the amount they pay you, and say, is this all I'm worth? You'll see that you're worth more. Because when you come and build this kind of business, it's going to be a legacy. You're going to set it up forever. Like when I record these videos on my YouTube channel, have you seen people who died a long time ago? Their messages are still there. You see, please, and you can build as you can create assets. Like he said in that lesson, you don't have to do this forever. So as you are over there, an idea will come. Maybe you're going to write a book. Maybe you're going to create a course. Who knows? But you have to start. So I'm begging you, please, don't give this as a reason of it looks like work. And if you don't know what to do, we are here to answer your questions. Please, please, please take action. If you are in USA, this is that's in USA. I definitely know this is for you. So all you need, you're gonna need like an hour a day. You commit like at least an hour every single day. We'll show you what to do. Start with the free course, this free course. The link is in the description. Go, you're going to add your email. It comes to me. The reason I ask you for your email, I want to share my WhatsApp number also with you. Then I'll give you a link to Brian. When you get to Brian, you're going to register. It's free. You don't need a credit card number. Please, this is your life. Take action. Now, if you're not in USA, I changed. I used to put a link for you also, but I'm saying now, just add a comment on this video. Add a comment and say where you are. The people started already in the video number 1. They're telling me where they are. Then I'm responding with the right information for you, because this program is not international. It's in what they call developed countries. Like in Africa, it's only South Africa. So, but I have other programs that you can be in your own country. And I have almost 1,000 videos that I'm recording this. So I'll know the right video for you. Just put me, I really want to do affiliate marketing, but I'm in this country. I'll respond with a video, watch it out for it in about 1 to 2 days. I'll respond to all comments. So please, what's your excuse? What is it? Do you want to work from home like me? Anytime you choose, from anywhere you choose, as long as you have your phone, or if you're traveling, you travel with your laptop. Oh my goodness. I wish you could see the freedom this brings. And about the money you make, it will be up to you. How much time you put in is gone. And if you have some money to promote, because for us, we just speak. But you could promote. You could promote whatever you're doing and people will buy. And the products come from all categories. You're going to start with this one, and brand pays you like $1,000 commission, 50%. But after you learn, then you're going to decide which products are for you really. If you care about health, or if you care about relationships, whatever you care about, the product is there. Because what we do is promote companies' products and services. All the companies you see, they're the companies that pay us. That's my message. Hopefully you found something there. The time you have it. Don't say I don't have time. And don't say I don't have money. Because this, if you connect with me, I'll show you how you could start this with $200. 200, connect with me. I'll let you know how that works. But right now, Brian had it and then he removed it, so you can't see it. But I can connect you to it. It's hidden somewhere because we are an insider. He said if you trust someone, you show them that option. But he removed it now. Okay, that's my message. That was lesson 2. Now we covered lesson 1, what is affiliate marketing. We covered lesson 2. He's actually trying to show you that affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start if you want to make money online and if you want to set up something for the long term. Okay, like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Without health, you can't do any of this. So check the description. Always look at the video that I show at the end. It's called the end screen. Also, take a look at the pinned comment. I always have something I'm saying to you in the pinned comment and also in the description. But the link to this is in the description. Okay, take a step to a better you. Add a comment for me, especially if you're in another country, or what did you get from what I just said? It helps if you add a comment. Remember to like it and share. Bye.